Everyone, welcome to my channel Maggie's Decor. If you are new, my name is Maggie, and today's video I'm going to show how to make a basket sprint arrangement flowers. This is for a birthday, but you can use for anything. I go make this for my friend. Let's go to start. For this project we need a basket, any color. I paint this in blue, and we need wet foam, any kind of foam. I have this one. We need fresh flowers. You can buy the flowers on your local store. And I'm going to use some butterflies. This is so cute. And I'm going to use a balloon because it's a birthday. And I make this stick. I'm going to use the stick. And let's go to start. For this ones, I'm going to use some oil. Make sure no broke. Like you can see the oil goes over there. I hope you enjoy my video. A beautiful arrangement birthday flowers. You can surprise your friend. Is inexpensive and easy to make it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. See you next one.